Hello my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe. Today I'm making Qeema Samosa. So to make Qeema Samosa we need half kg minced meat, 2 to 3 tablespoons coriander leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons mint leaves, 1 cup chopped onion, 1.5 tablespoon chopped green chilies, half tablespoon chopped ginger, half tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon paste of green chilies, 1 teaspoon all spices, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. So let's get started. So first, heat up the oil, about 36 tablespoons. After the oil is heated up, put the minced meat in it. Now fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. At this stage, we add chopped ginger, chopped garlic, paste of green chilies, all spices, coriander seeds, cumin, red chili powder, salt, chili flakes, and chopped green chilies. Now mix it well. Now leave it for 5 to 6 minutes until the water is strong. After this, add coriander seeds. Now cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now mix it well. Now again cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, it's done. At this stage we add chopped onion. Mix it well. Okay, it's done.